Professor, researcher, entrepreneur, and multimedia visionary Ramesh Jain has made exceptional contributions to ACM and the computing community for over 40 years. Early on, Ramesh recognized the tremendous potential of the emerging fields of computer vision.
My first research paper was in 1976. At that time, we could not capture video, and people politely call me father of multimedia because I was one of the first people, and I started the first multimedia magazine.
Ramesh went on to serve as chair of SIG Multimedia, which grew into a prominent special interest group within the ACM. His work introduced many analytics approaches, algorithms, and protocols that were featured at SIG conferences before they gained wide popularity. Over his long career, Ramesh has published over 400 research papers and directed 3 university labs. He expanded the definition of multimedia to include folk computing, predicting that mobile phones would become common folk computers. Renowned pioneer in multimedia, machine vision, and intelligent systems, Ramesh Jain continues to provide visionary guidance to help advance computing as both a science and profession.
I see an opportunity for making the world much better place.